Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method for AdSense. So let's get into it. First of all, sign into your AdSense account. Go to the bottom and click on Payments. Click on Manage Payment Method. Then click Add Payment Method. In the Add a Payment Method section, enter your bank account information. If you want this to be your primary form of payment, select the Set as Primary Payment Method checkbox. Then click Save. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.